Hey guys, good morning. So today is November 2nd. Excuse me for how I'm looking, but it's morning time. But so today I'm gonna be packing a little bit of makeup for a quince that I have to do this weekend. And actually, so this is a family member's quince and it's in Georgia. So I'm gonna be packing makeup for when I do, like, for my clients, but also makeup that I'm gonna do for myself, because usually I don't use the same makeup. But yeah, so this is like my third time filming this video. I've been very busy with weddings this past month, which I'm very thankful for, and I've had 3, and I think for every one of them, at least 2 of them, I did try to record the video of me packing and it just didn't work out. So I'm hoping that this is the one. These little baggies, which shout out to Giselle, because this like saved my life. These are like so much easier to do now because it's like very much more sanitary and I'm more like organized. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm doing 4 people this week, but things always happen like, oh, do you have time to do me? Or like, which I'm not saying it's bad, I'm just saying like there's always like an extra person or either just something. And I know also like my cousins will probably want their makeup done, so I think I'm gonna pack 6 of these. And then I also like to take this one and I just like to put extra brushes in here. I always like to use these brushes for foundation, so I'll be putting one of these in each bag. Let me just show y'all one bag and then I'm going to do the rest like a little montage, because yeah. And then I like to use this to blend the foundation out, and then we'll just use like an all over powder, and then we'll have this one like as a bronzer. Then we'll do a blush. And then also we'll use one of these to apply primer. And then I like these 441 brushes for eyes. I usually pack 2 of these in each because you just never know as well. And then 2 of the 433 brushes that look like this. And then one of these, actually each one of these, to blend out the lower lash line. And then like a brush like this to apply the shimmer or whatever's going on the lid. And then over here I like to pack like one of these for concealer, for like eye primer, and then just like another one for concealer just because. But I did forget one thing, is sponges. They each get their sponges. Okay, so I have all the brushes ready. These are just extra brushes that I'm just going to take just in case. And then I have all the other brushes in here. And then this one right here. And this bag. And honestly, y'all, this is not my favorite bag. It's from Amazon. I really think that it's honestly not that good. I think I just really need a bigger one, which I'm going to look into that. But I already have in here some mascara wands, and then I have my Tulle lash kit that I have already cleaned, and then I have some lip wands. Then I have this right here is makeup remover, which I need a label, and this is 7% alcohol, which I need to fill it back up, so I'm gonna not pack that up yet. This is my mixing palette with my mixing tool. I love to take this little trash can because it's so handy. All I use is these little like puppy trash bags to use that. Like Chucky. I have some of these in case someone wants to touch up. Okay, I'm gonna look at my checklist because I have a checklist for every time I do makeup. This is my checklist of everything that I need. We have like all the makeup and then all the tools. So I'm gonna go by and check everything off. So that's pretty much it. I think the other things I need to get, I'm just gonna get it in a little. I'm gonna pack my chair and my ring light, which I'm not gonna do that till later on this week. This is the bag that I like to put my palettes in. So for this little palette, I'm just gonna put it over here. Hey guys, so this is like 2 days later, but I'm pretty sure the last clip was me finishing up my packing. But now I'm just gonna show y'all like my ring light and all that and stuff. So let me show you guys. So right here is that bag, and that's where all my makeup goes. This is my ring light. It's just a normal ring light that looks like this. I actually want a new lighting system, but I don't know, I need to do my research. This is all my makeup and stuff, and then that's my personal stuff. But this is the chair that I use. I got this from Amazon a few years back, and it's actually very helpful. It's usually everything. Sometimes I don't carry my chair, but I do know that I will be doing makeup in a hotel. Hotel most likely does not have a taller chair, and it's just more beneficial to have a taller chair because first of all, your back's always hurting if you're always like bent over, and second off, I feel like you see everything better eye to eye. So I'm excited. This is a quince. I don't know if I said that, but it's quince this weekend. And then next weekend I have a wedding, which is actually, no, I was gonna say my last wedding, but no, I have a wedding in December. So I'm very excited and thankful for that. Weddings are my favorite. Well, anything like a big party is my favorite. Like quinceañeras. I don't really do quinceañeras though, so I'm excited for this. But weddings, anything party, big parties are my favorite to do. Yeah, it's just so much fun. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll make more for you guys. I need to stop slacking, but hopefully I'll make more for you guys because yeah, this camera literally just sits there. That's all. So I really need to make more, but hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.